Now, in the measles outbreak, the number of confirmed cases has risen again. The health department now says there are 22 people who are infected with the disease. 21 cases are in Oakland County, and the list of places exposed to the infectious disease is growing as well. 7 Action News reporter Matthew Smith spoke with the father of a man whose son was hospitalized.
Well, the concern is that this could get much bigger because the first person took so long to notice their symptoms and get to a doctor, which really means the second wave of people are just now coming in. And that means that this whole thing is being amplified by how many people could be affected and currently have measles.
Thank God some of them are already back with us, and I know my teacher is coming back tomorrow, actually.
Benjamin Zavbausk says his teacher was among the first to catch the measles here inside Yeshiva Gedola, a private school in Oak Park. That sent dozens of folks to the nearby synagogue where the health department has been giving vaccinations. Benjamin's mother among them.
She waited for over an hour. I know people that were there for a lot longer.
The lines are shorter today. It's where I met Boran Cohen. His son was hospitalized on Monday night, days after going to the doctor and being sent home initially.
Yesterday he was in a lot of pain. So then they called the ambulance service and they said get him to the ER.
Now that family's scrambling to figure out what to do with his infant girl and a young son who isn't feeling well.
They've kept the kids as much as possible away.
But doctors fear this outbreak is far from over. Few were diagnosed early, and that means they were out in public.
It went from 1 case to 8 cases to 18 cases. You know, does it go now from 18 to 100, from 100 to 200? We don't know what the answer is going to be yet.
Made all the more difficult as anti-vaxxers take to Twitter and Facebook. One even commenting on this story, writing, "We don't care. Your fear-mongering isn't working. Wake us up when measles become deadly." Well, doctors like Sims, the director of infectious disease research at Beaumont, say not only have people died from the measles, but that a push to not vaccinate is why they're seeing a return of the virus. But his main concern right now are those who may start to develop measles symptoms in the coming days.
Don't go to your doctor's office. Don't go to the emergency room. Call the Department of Health. Call your doctor. Get instructions on what to do. Because the second you walk into a doctor's office or you walk into the emergency room, you're going to expose other people.
We're in Oak Park. Matthew Smith, 7 Action News.
All right, Matt, thank you.